wanted to share with you my entourage of supplies for indoor grow of hot chili peppers here in Montana. So this is a Carolina Reaper plant. It's one of the hottest peppers in the world, and as you can see right now, we've got a lot of buds coming up, a lot of flowers. This is going to be, despite its small size, it's going to have some fantastic yields this year. So in order to get this, and this is something that I've done for a long time now, I've used this entourage of products, all available on Amazon. I use this glass jug to mix them up with. It is also available on Amazon, glass, and the darker color prevents anything from deteriorating with sunlight or breaking down any nutrients in there. So what I do is I start out with the Miracle-Gro Performance Organics. Right here, I add this to the water. Depending on what size pot or garden you're using, the dosage will vary. So I do this until the plant is about 3 or 4 inches tall. And what this does is really starts to develop a good root system. I then start adding the garden tone, and what the garden tone does is it really starts getting the plant to leaf out. Again, this is available on Amazon as well. Organic garden tone. Then you'll see that the plant is at about this size is when I switch over to adding the flower fuel to the water, and that's what really gets these buds coming out nicely. It really starts to flower, and that's when I back down. I start watering with a little bit more of a basic Seabird guano. This is organic. I'll add that to the water, just a little bit, teaspoon works. And then I'll also give it some of this Neptune's Harvest, which is fish and seaweed fertilizer. It just loves it. So as you're doing this, it really doesn't take much, but those are the phases. And then just keeping it very well watered and in the sun, and this will just continue to flower out and produce some awesome fruit for us this year. So these, again, this is the lineup, all available on Amazon, plus the gallon watering jug. This is all you need for fantastic hot chili peppers in any climate. If it works in cold Montana, it'll work for you as well.